Continuing on from the last video, you found a book that looks interesting, you have on to table of contents, and you found something that looks interesting. Here, this chapter on motivation and cheating, which suggests that might be good. There's another way you can find out what might be useful in a book source on your topic, and that is, don't forget the index. Um, the index lists, well, the index is generally appears at the end of a book in alphabetical order, important topics in alphabetical order. And so when I go to the heading, and you have to see how it's organized, every index will be a little bit different, but ideally there would be an entry for every important topic covered in the book. When I look at um, things about cheaters and cheating, motivational factors on pages 18 through 21 might be something I want to look at. So I'm saying, even though I'm saying use this as a source, you may not want to use the whole book. There may just be a few pages that are useful to you, and that's perfectly legitimate to write up those few pages. Under the heading cheating, you can see there are quite a few different topics listed, character traits associated with, suggesting that there are character traits for people who cheat. Um, certainly, I'm interested here in reasons for, page 59, 60, and page 87, reasons for cheating. And so I might go down here. Here are the pages in the book, and I might go directly to page 59 to 59 to see. Oh, that didn't work. 59. There we go. And in fact, it is that chapter 4, interest and academic cheating, that talks about how cheating is related to whether or not students are interested in the material. All right, so some things to consider. Again, the citation, as mentioned before, if you want to get a citation for this book, and again, you can list the pages that were useful to you. You can go here, click the link here above that says cite, and you want to go down to the MLA 9th edition, and here is the site, the works cited entry listed here. You're going to copy and paste that on your works cited document, and they did not reverse. It should be Anderman, Eric M. So these are not always completely correct, but it's a start. Because his last name is Anderman, and I put the works cited list in alphabetical order, I'm going to move Carpenter down and put in Anderman. Okay, and works cited should be centered at the top of the page. All right, so again, this, you're getting ready for the final paper. This will be the last page of your paper. And yes, proper MLA format says that you do a hanging indent here. I'll talk about how to do that later. The important thing is, though, that you find some sources and that you're able to copy the citations for your sources. Again, I urge you, don't just pick the first citation that comes up. Read carefully. Again, you can get the full text of anything that is full text, and I urge you to do that. Take a look at the article. Okay, some research on adolescence. That sounds like it would be good. About how to determine whether an act constitutes cheating. So you have to understand what cheating is if you're going to talk about doing it. How do students judge whether cheating is wrong? And they do a lot of literature research, and then they talk about what teachers say about this. Um, Again, it's helpful here because you can see, you can jump to different parts of the article. Again, I'm not saying you have to read the entire article. I am saying you want to be sure that you get a number of parts, that you get the sections of the article that can help you answer your question of what causes students to cheat. And again, here the little citation of the quotation marks. Here is the MLA citation here that you're going to copy onto your page. And Walter is Everett Carpenter, so that makes sense. Okay. Just finding articles for from the library. Our next video will talk about Google Scholar.